make $2 over and over and get money deposited automatically to your PayPal account? Is this possible? Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $2 over and over and get money deposited to your PayPal account automatically. Okay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. But before digging in, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, Growth Phobia. I make videos about how to make money online, skipping a 9 to 5 job, do whatever you want, whenever you want, and have the freedom to do whatever you want. Okay, so those are my videos, guys. I put videos about worldwide ways to make money online. Earnably is another reward program not to be underestimated, guys. You can answer surveys, watch ads, play games, shop to earn points. So before you say just pass, I'm sick of those survey websites, you should take a look at this website, guys. It is a great one, okay? And it is legit and they will pay you, okay? So just take a look at this one. So Earnably is another reward program. It is like Swagbucks. So you can earn money by just taking surveys and watching videos and shopping, playing games and doing a lot of stuff. Okay, so like with any other points per survey sites, you will only earn some pocket money with Earnably, so you don't have to expect to get some great money with this website. You can make up to $2 to $3 per hour, I guess. Okay, so in a lot of countries, $2 or $3 per hour, it is a great thing if you live in a third world country. But if you live in a country like United States, France, United Kingdom, it's not, I think it's not for you. You can just make some pocket cash, but not making some real cash. Okay, you're not making some real cash because it's time consuming, and we compare the time that you will consume to get that money, then I think in a lot of countries it's not worth it. Okay, but if you live in a third country, and this video is actually for people in third countries that want to make some extra money, and they are looking for videos online to make that money, but they don't find videos because most of those websites, most of those ways to make money are just in United States or the United Kingdom or Europe or something like that. Okay, and if you live in an Asian country or an Arabic country or something like that, then most of those websites will not work for you. So this video is for you guys if you live in one of those countries. So like I was saying, that with like any other or point per survey sites, you will only earn some pocket money with Earnably, but it has a wide range of offers. Hence, you have a better chance to earn quickly by choosing ones that pay you big points. So Earnably allows you to build your points by answering surveys. But first of all, let me show you how the website looks like. So this is the website. Okay, so you can earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys, and a lot more by answering videos that will take you around 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, and you can earn between 30 to 80 points, and by watching videos that will take you between 3 to 5 minutes, and you will earn up to 2.5 points. And by daily tasks, you can expect to get up to 25 points for doing a task such as researching or something like that. And also by playing games like cashback only, you can ask cashback only when you spend money on a game. It is like a casino, so I won't recommend doing this. Okay, because you're here to make money and not to gamble. Okay, so if you're gambling, you know that one day you're gonna lose it. Okay, because the house always wins. And also with apps, okay, you can earn like 8 points or more by just downloading some application and testing them. Okay, and also by free signups, you can get between 10 to 50 points or bigger points, where free trial with credit card information is required. Okay, so if if you're signing up for an offer that requires your credit card, you should just be careful, because the free trial could be just for a week or for 13 days or 14 days, I'm sorry, and after that they will charge you. Okay, so you just have to bear this in mind and be careful. And also by shopping you can make big points on purchase. It could be 2,000 or more points, it depends on the product. And 1 point and earnably is worth $0.01, which means 100 points is $1. Means you can earn up to 80 cents or more, subject to availability, which I don't think it is too bad, having seen other sites that only allow you to earn 20 cents or less per survey. I mean, with this website you can earn up to 80 points with just one survey. So this is how the website looks like. So you can just complete the offers and get rewarded. Sometimes that will take you 5 minutes to get 23 points. It will take you sometimes 4 minutes to get 80 points. That will take you 5 minutes to get 202 points, which is actually very good. It means that this is $2. The best thing about this website, it is legit. I've seen a lot of reviews about this website. It is a legit website that will pay you. Okay, you don't have to be afraid from spending a lot of time on a website that eventually won't pay you, or eventually will turn out to be just for some people, okay, just for some countries. So Earnable is online rewards and cashback site. It's completely free to use, and best of all, it is easy to get started. So you can earn points by completing simple offers. Then you can redeem your points anytime for instant rewards and gift cards. And gift cards, actually, like Amazon gift card, Domino's Pizza, and a lot of those redeem options are actually just in United States and United Kingdom. But if you're watching this video, I assume that you want money through you, so you want PayPal money. And if you live in a third world country, then the only option for you guys is the PayPal money, the PayPal option. And this is the aim of this video, guys, because with PayPal money I'm going to show you that there is another option that is called automatic deposit. You can use this option to get money while you're not doing anything. I mean, I was just talking about that you have to do something to get money, but actually there is another way that you can use to make money from this website without doing anything, and I'm going to show you this in the end of this video. Okay, so you can redeem your points, and $1 is 100 points, and when you've earned 500 points you can exchange into $5 cash, and it will be sent to your PayPal account, Bitcoin, gift card vouchers such as Amazon gift card. So you can redeem your points for as low as $1, but you'll need to have earned 125 points, and I will show you this here. Just take a look at me. How can I redeem my points? Okay, so if you clicked in how can I redeem my points, you will see some informations here. So we know that 100 points is $1, but if you want to redeem $1, that will cost you 125 points. So I would suggest that you redeem points once you have at least 500 points. Okay, 500 points, because if you did this you will lose $25 points. Okay, so start redeeming your money once you have at least 500 points, and this is the auto redeem. If you want to use this option, then you can click on it and you can activate it. And once you activate this option, you will have to know that there is a 1% fee for this option. It is worth it, and I'm going to show you why it is worth it to pay that 1% fee to get the auto redeem option. Okay, so the rewards are only available in the United States, guys, or the United Kingdom. So which ones of those offers pay the most? Okay, so answering surveys for me is probably the best one. It is the best way to get money from this website. You can answer around 20 surveys per day, more or less, that depends on the day, using your spare time, and you can reach 1000 points, which is $10 cash. If you've never tried a survey for cash, you know what's most annoying. It is to get the actual survey stage. They'll ask you everything about your personal circumstances, who you live with, your employment status, household income, number of children, before they shut you off. Sorry, you're not eligible for this survey. So 10 to 20 minute survey as advertised in this website, it's real, because in other website you always get some pop-ups like that, or some messages like that this survey is not for you, which is really annoying, and it makes you like wanna crash your laptop or something like that. Well, this is what happens to me sometimes. You can also make money by watching videos. You can earn a few points by watching a video ad, and you will have to have actual video page of that browser open. So I think you can earn some extra points by doing this. But if you want to watch these videos, I think it's not worth it, because that will take a lot of time just to make some points, and then I think it's not worth it. And you can do some daily tasks also. Well, with daily tasks, there are quite a few interesting tasks, such as audio transcription, do a research on a specific topic, and Google and reports. So unfortunately, they don't pay more than a dime for a job, while in my opinion, we deserve to get paid a lot more in exchange for such time-consuming tasks. And the fourth one is playing games. So in order to play games, they will ask you to sign up with a third-party game site, which is independent points system. So it's not worth it trying it either. The site offers some paid games such as online casinos. If you spend money on them, you'll get some good earnable points, which defeat the purpose of making money with earnably, unless you are a good gambler. And if you're looking to make money, then the worst option for you is gambling, because you could be a good gambler, but in the end you will lose your money. That quote that says the home always wins, or something like that. So eventually you will lose your money if you do that. So I wouldn't recommend it. In my channel, I'm showing you how to make money, and also I'm showing you the worst ways that you can do to make money online. So those are some good ways and some bad ways. Okay, some bad ways because they will just waste your time, and you won't get that money, or the money that you will get, it's too bad for the time that you consumed. Also, applications. With applications, well, I've tried a few of them. I've installed some few application shopping apps on my phone, and I received a few points. Once one app asked me to change the security settings, which I really didn't want to do. Otherwise, the application itself could not be opened. So I give up. With another one, I started to receive recent cold calls, so I would say try this with caution. Some game apps allow you to earn big earnable points once you get to certain levels. Well, this is the best part in applications, okay, but this will take a lot of time too, which I can't be bothered to try, but I think it could be a good thing for you if you love application, or if you love games. Okay, if you love playing games, then this could be for you. And also with sign up offers, and with some retailers websites, you can earn between 10 to 50 points and that will be rewarded to you if you simply sign up with them for free. And others are free trial requiring your credit card detail, which of course, if you're not interested, you need to make sure to cancel before the trial period ends. Obviously, the ones who require your card detail will reward you with more points, but you should be careful here, because once the trial ends, they will charge you, so you will have to consider to cancel your trial once you get the points. Okay, just be smart with this. And with shopping, well, some retailers will give you big earnable points. You can expect to get between 2,000 to 3,000 points upon purchase, effectively a cashback on shopping. So you might decide it's worth a look, but always keep in mind how much you're actually saving. Receiving 1,000 earnable points means you're receiving $10 discount. Will it be cheaper than buying the same product elsewhere? Then maybe you can take a look at this. And the best part, guys, the best part and the passive part from this website is referral bonus. With referral bonus, you can invite other people to Earnably and receive 10% of everything that your referrals earn by completing offers for life. You'll be given your special referral link, which you can forward by email, use on your website or social media. So you just have to remember that you cannot refer it to someone in your household. Okay, you cannot do this. So if you think that this website is for you, then the first thing you should consider is go to the frequently asked questions or the help section on the Earnably website and go to is Earnably available in my country. Okay, so once you click here, they will give you a list of countries that this website is not working on. So this website is not working on those countries. If your country is one of them, then this is not for you. This is definitely not for you, and you should take a look at maybe some videos or some of my videos in my channel. There are a lot of videos there. If this video is not for you, then don't be sad. There are a lot of ways out there to make money online, and this could be not for you, but maybe you can take a look at some of my videos and you can learn something better than this. Okay, so this is the website, guys. Take a look at it if you think it's worth it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also activate or click the like button and share the video with your friends or whatever. Okay, just do something. Well, let's see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.